How to create Uber driver's account. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for Uber driver's application and install it to your device first. Then after, here I have already installed it, so open the application, tap on get started. So here you will have multiple options to sign in with Google with email or simply by providing your mobile number. So here I am going through the email process, and here you have to provide your email address and a verification code will be sent to your email. So you have to enter it, and you just have to provide, or you can also skip this option and tap on next. Then enter your first name and last name. Tap on next. Tap on I agree and tap on next. Now you just have to allow the permissions, and here you are logged in to Uber's account. So here you have successfully created your Uber driver's account. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.